Hello for everyone. Today I will show you my new pack from the Ketron SD90. This is the sound bank I will show you now. On this pack is included just in the 4 bank A, B, C and F plus drum. So I will explain you what happened. Many people this contact with me said the full packet is so expensive, the £55 is so expensive for him. Another one is don't need all pack because the many samples he need to be used just in the few banks. For that one I'm just in the doing the disc pack. This is the actually I'm get it from the full pack. Where is the here? The full pack is the bank A, B, C, D, E and F plus drums, and here I'm just in the make it the 3 full banks plus F as well, and 32 preset drums from there, and I will be offered from the £40 from the all included this one. So let's just to show you the full one is will be on the 2 GB 57 megabytes is show me this one, and I will show you the full description now what is the included. So let's just to open the Wave Studio quickly and just in the put there the bank A here. Let's just do Alt. So now we'll see the all bank A. This is the 128 different one is numbered and sorted is there as well. 127 is 127 or 128. Another one is the same. Let's do going on the bank B. The same. The bank B is from the bank number bank 1. So all this one, well, for example, this is the bank 1 number 3, and all this instrument will be found on the main bank 1. The bank A is the 0, bank B is number 1. Another one is bank C. Bank C is the number, the bank 10, or again is the 27, should be, yeah, up to there. Bank F is less, because that is the, just, we show you the bank F. Let's to see on the full packet just how much is there, because I really don't know. The bank F is 72 files. 72 files. Right. So here is the 72 files. It's there. And let's to check the drum section as well. The drum section I've sorted around the 32 presets there, and have the house standard, 4 standard, another one for acoustic, jazz, wife kit, rock 1, 2 wife kit, and anyway, so another one, let's to close this one and going to extreme sample converter. There is the much visible. We see the structure on the everything, which one is included. This is the bank 8. All together is the 1420 samples, the all this packet. And let's to see the grand piano. The grand piano is the 17 samples. Yeah, let's do going for another one. The the samplers is almost in stereo. I have the whoop on the many places where it's available. Around 3 seconds. You have the some is less, like slap guitar. Let's to see that this channel. Bugby is the same. It's the 70 samplers here. It's the 4 bass. Strings. Chore is the 9 samplers here. Da, da, da. It's 13 samplers here. Jazz organ. Let's going to bank C. Which one to be? This is the 14 samples. Also, let's to show you another one there. See the 2 layers, that is the left and right, that is because it's stereo. On the all samplers I'm just in the, not all, should be the maybe the 90% from the all samplers. I have some parameters like delay, sustain, release as well, and if somebody want to change, just in the change, this is I'm just in the put this one. Let's show you for another one. Again here I put attack as well on this multi-samplers. The bank F, I have the 72 presets. There is different. Accordion Studio. Let's to show you again here, see how many parameters have here as well. And let's to going to drum section. So this is the drum section, 32 presets. So the is around, the first one is the 61 samplers, another one is the 63 samplers, like that is the another one is the 63 samplers as well. And thing here as well, I'm just in the put here the release effect little bit and hold, and if you want to change volume or something, just in the change yourself, because I'm just in the put, that's enough for me, but should be the different people have the different wishes. I have the standard 808 this drum sets, and also also rock wife and dance here. It's around more than 1 second, depends how it's short this one, but around the 1 second, because there it's enough. Let's see, this is from the record, only up to here, and it's empty. But anyway, so I will make another video when I'm short. Just in the tested the sound, but I have the lot of video where is the tested the sound, and we can find it. I'll show you where. So on my account on YouTube, if you wanna see the test from the full one, so on this video I'm just in the check the sound on the all sound on the bank A, so we have the bank A on this bucket. Is the bank A, bank B, bank C, and bank F is here as well. Bank F as well. And if you want to know the all sound, I'm just in the demonstrate by Varranger SoundFont player inside. On this video I am talking about from the full packet, but have the lot of information, and there on the description I'm just in the put the lot of information which one you need, and I will make the similar on this video. When you look at from the more information, just in the go on the description below the video, I will be find it, and if somebody interesting, there will be I will be put. This is for the full pack. On this pack, when I'm talking about, will be I will be offered from the £40. I will be put the PayPal button here. Just this is just like, for example, we make it the same on this video when I'm doing now, and just from here straight away it's available to pay, and when you pay, the automatic need to be get the link, and just in the download. When you download, will be received the Ketron SD90 sound bank. This one was the 1 gigabyte and 62 megabytes. It's not so bigger, and just need to be know when you arrive this one and download, just to be repacked, to unpack from here, and when you unpacked will be need to be received this bank A, B, C, F, and drums as well. So I think this is enough for this video. I will make it one more when I'm we show you how to use it on some device where it's available to use. And thank you very much to watch the video, and thank you for everyone when it's interesting from this pack. Thank you.